Seeing the message due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity on your Android Snapchat? Don't worry. This video will show you how to fix it. This error usually pops up if you've tried logging in multiple times with the wrong password or username, or if Snapchat is glitching. Let's fix this issue step by step without wasting any time. Solution 1. Update Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat is up to date. To confirm this, open the Play Store. Go to the search panel. Search Snapchat. See for any updates available. If there are any, update your Snapchat. Solution 2. Try to log in again by forgetting your password. Go back to Snapchat's login menu. Tap Forgot Your Password. Now choose to reset your password with either of these options. I'll select my email. Tap on Send Confirmation Code. Now Snapchat will send you a code on your email. If you used your phone number, the code will go to your phone. Enter the confirmation code here, and you'll be logged into your account right away. This usually solves the problem, but if you still can't get into your account, you can contact the Snapchat support team. To do that, open your browser and type Snapchat support. Open the first link that shows up. Now scroll down and click on Contact Us. Here you'll be asked for a problem category. Tap on I can't access my account. They'll ask you one more question after that. So on that part you can select I see an error message when I log in. Now another menu will open at the bottom. Tap on this option saying due to repeated failed attempts. After that, they will tell you some things you can do to fix this. If those fixes don't work out for you, scroll down again. Tap Contact Snapchat Support. Here try to submit a request by explaining your problem. First, add your Snapchat username, email, and mobile number. Then in the description box, explain your problem in detail. Hopefully, Snapchat support will soon contact you via email and help fix this error. Those are the steps you can use to fix the Snapchat failed login attempts or suspicious activity error on Android. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more easy solutions.